Hello everyone, my name is Soltanian Jahromi, and I wanted to introduce you to the new word processor I've created, which I named after myself, called Ali Text Editor. This video will show all the features of Ali Text Editor. Here on the left side of the top toolbar is text formatting. Here you can make the text bold, italic, or underlined. Next to that group of tools is text alignment, which you can use to position your text to the left, center, or right. I'll put it in the center, to the right, back to the center, and back to the left. These tools are for placing bullet points and numbers on each line. And this is the numbering. Now I'll just type Ali Text Editor again. These tools are for selecting the text font size and viewing its current font size. I'll just select the text and set the font size to 100. And now as you can see, it shows the current selection font size as 100. Down here on the bottom toolbar is the font color, where you can change the selected text's color. You have a bunch of preset colors to choose from, or you can set the individual RGB values to get a color. I'll just pick this color. Next to the font color tool is the font changing tool. You can use this to change the selected text's font. I'll change it to Arial. There's also information on the bottom left, which shows word and line count. I'll just go to the next line, and as you can see, it shows that there are now 2 lines. There are more tools in the More Tools drop-down. The first option here is the margin option. You can use this to change what the margin is in the document. This is especially useful when printing documents. I'll leave it on the default, which is 10. The second option is word wrap. To demonstrate that, I'll just paste some text and make it so that the text goes on to the next line. The second option is for inserting images into the document. Just browse to the image you want, and if needed, use these filters for specific file types. Once you select your image, you can set its size in the Set Image Size window that pops up. And now we have the image in the document. The next section of options in the More Tools menu is the area where you can set the app's theme. There are many themes to choose from. There's peach, black, which is the default, and pink, and so on. The text strike-through option places a line over the selected text. Right-clicking brings up the context menu, which has copy, paste, and other options, which are also under the edit menu. In the file menu, there's an option to view the backups automatically generated by Ali Text Editor. It opens a folder with all your backups. Now I'll save the document I've created. First I'll save as .ali, which saves the text formatting and font color, images in the document, etc. Now I'll save as a .text. The .text format doesn't preserve all the text formatting and font colors, etc. Thank you for watching this video of Ali Text Editor. Download Ali Text Editor from the Microsoft Store. The link to Microsoft Store is in the description, and so is the link to my website.